In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps of doing antibody titration validation. And this applies to all sets for the plate-based assays, whether it be the In-Cell Western, ELISA, or just target analysis. So I'm going to go ahead and open up one that we already have started. And just like all the other videos, you need to first name the analysis and then bring in the images that you want to be analyzed. So here we have this one that is already named. We have the images that were done for this experiment. So next, we are going to select a template. Now this one already has one applied. Templates can either be created here or in the template library. And so you can create them in either place. And this is really the most important part of the analysis, making sure that you get everything analyzed properly. Now in this one we have 6 different antibody dilutions. They are all set up separately. You can see here that these are all color-coded, and they are also linked to these background wells right here. And then down in the bottom section you see that the dilutions are listed on here, and all of that has already been in place. We are going to have a separate video for just strictly creating these templates, because this does get a little complex and we don't want to get this video to be too long. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. I'm going to click on the next button. And here is where you will adjust the location of your grid. Now this template already was set for a 96 well plate, but you can also do just about any size plate that you need to use. Now, also up here, this little gear icon is where you can adjust the image display. You can make them brighter or dimmer as we go along here. You can set the different colors. All of that is set through here. You can also zoom in and out using these buttons up here at the top as well. Or if you just want to show, if you want to turn off some of the channels, you can turn those off right there. Now this trim values, if you have any saturations or anything like that, you will want to make sure that that is turned on so that you can still be able to quantify the wells. You also set the normalization channel. In this case, it is the 700 channel where the normalization is being done. So we have that set. Now charting, this does get fairly complex for the plate-based assays. So we are going to have a separate video dedicated strictly for doing or setting up the charting functions. So then on the final page here is where we get the report. So we get all of the data are included on here for each one of the channels. And this is all normalized, and then as we scroll down through here, we get the combined image towards the end, and then you can then export this for someone to review, or you can create a PDF report of this for printing. Thank you.